I'm Debbie McKeegan. I am the FESPA Textile Ambassador, and I'm a specialist in predominantly the textile sector. Role within FESPA as the Textile Ambassador is, keep everybody up to date on trends, what's going on, market shifts, insights, all of those things. The textile sector is a very important marketplace for FESPA in the years ahead, and we are very much helping to put strategy together. I think the qualities a visionary would have, I think that the first quality has to be curiosity. It has to be a love of technology, a love of curiosity, as somebody who can think outside of the box. So they don't discount anything from the very, very beginning and just let things develop and flow. Really make the best of the staff and the people and the technology that you have around. Good experience. And I think during that experience, you'll realize how important human interaction is. I think particularly in the print industry too, printers, you need to understand the technology, you need to touch it, you need to smell it. It's a tactile area. And I think so often as well, it's really important to be able to get in front of those application specialists, those people who know the insides and outs of every piece of that technology, and ask those questions, which, to be frank, in a Zoom, you might not get to. Two words, I think, that both of them begin with S. So it would be end the silo and let's all be more sustainable. We have to. We really, really do. If we don't do that, we're never going to speed up the digitization of our industry. We all have to share knowledge, communicate, connect. I think where you look at some of the most visionary companies, I would say the development comes from the head down, most definitely. The CEOs driving the next generation are the ones that are closest to the marketplace and have, again, go back to that point of being much more open-minded and really listening to the people that they employ for their great ideas. Really, that's so, so important, that the culture of the company is set right from the very beginning, right at the top from the CEO, and bring on board everybody in that journey for change. Good question. Why would I attend a show, whether it was a print show, a design show, whatever it was? It's really to get a flavour of the industry, a flavour of technology, to see new innovations, to make sure that, you're in the same lane, you're on the same page as your customers, really. And also to plan ahead, to look at the latest market shifts, the latest insights, to attend summits, to attend, at the event this year in the Smart Hub, we're going to have a great theatre, bringing those voices together in a concentrated fashion so that, in an hour or 2 hours, whatever you have to spare, you can get to the pain points that your business is having and listen to experts who might be in a similar position. Good question. The next generation is so important, and the only way we can inspire them is by sharing our own career choices and our own journeys. I often say to any graduates and students, who can be a little bit in awe of people in commerce and be a little shy of asking questions, we all started in exactly the same seat, didn't we? We all started at the beginning. And through the choices that we've made and the connections and the mentors that we've all had throughout our careers, that's what drives us forward. And for me, I always find time every day, and throughout my entire career, I always have, to look backwards and remember how I started and who helped me and why people shared their knowledge. So important. The industry is highly technical, highly digitized, and it's a fantastic creative career. And so many different job roles. People just think of printers. Wow, in this technical industry, there's so much more throughout the business. For anybody listening, whatever you're doing for the 6th and the 9th May, if you're in the print industry, you really should try to attend the FESPA Global Expo. This year it's in Berlin. It's a fantastic incubator for talent, visionaries, new technology. Get into your lane, have a wander around the show, look for new machinery, meet and network with people that you may not have seen for years. Ask questions, share knowledge, share expertise, and help this industry move to a more sustainable future.